thought I saw someone on the playground, but no. Alright. On video, shit together. Wow. Turn my head. Signal's also not doing too hot. Shush. Not doing too hot. There we go. Whoa, what was that? What was that? I noticed that a couple times, not recently, well, kind of recently, that when I do the power loop, that I crank the throttle to just start the loop, that sometimes it kind of clips or just kind of jitters. No idea what that is. This looks kind of cool. That the clouds kind of help figure out where you're at the power loop. So it's like backwards and done. That's kind of cool. That's the thing that's always kind of freaky when I'm doing the power loops, even though I do them pretty wide. But the fact that when the sky is clear, I have 0 point of reference of if I'm 90 degrees, more than 90, up until when I see the flat part upside down on the way back, then you're like, oh, yeah, the throttle should be way down already, and I was already on the pushing myself down on the power loop, so not a good spot to be. Alright, not following a line, just improv. Is this the wonky puffy battery? Probably. It's already... Yeah, alright. This is the 3-minute battery pack. Fine, I'll bring it back. Ooh, the colors, man. The colors. Coming in hot. Boop. Slow down, bro. Up. I even hurt the grass being smacked. Alright, hold on. Got it.